You look so scared in your pet harbor photo. What are you doing? Are you just hanging out here, huh? Trying to keep the flies off of you? Look how cute his little toe is. You got little polka dots on your toe? Yes. What do you see, huh? Good boy. What's that? What do you see? Come and get it. Come here. Come and get it. Good boy. You savored every bite. Look at that face. Look at those big squishies. Oh, they're so big. Come here. Look at that precious face. Yes, he's so cute. Good boy. Can I just scratch your nose, huh? Can I scratch your nose? Let me get those flies off of your ears. Yeah. Look at those squishies. Here, let me scratch your ears. Come here. Come closer so I can reach them. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, you're an angel. Does that feel good? Yeah. He's so mellow. Huh, yes. Okay. One more for the angel. Oh boy. He takes them so gentle. Bye, baby.